Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Samadhan channel. In this video we are going to solve a question on time and work. The question I have already written on the board. First of all, in this kind of questions we need to understand the question properly, then only we need to do the calculation further. So let's start with understanding the question part first. So we have, this is the first part of the question. The first part of the question says a certain number of men they can do a work in 60 days. So we have certain number. Let us denote the number of men with the letter M. That certain number of men is, say, x number of men we have. Okay, so what they can do a work in 60 days. We denoting the number of days with D. In the first case, these much people, they are doing the work in 60 days. This is about the first statement. Let us see the second statement. If there were 8 more men, it's a wish. If there were 8 more men, it means instead of x, if we have x plus 8 number of men, here it is used for work. It could be finished in 10 days less. It is important. This is an accident prone area. It needs to be understood properly. Otherwise, you tend to make a mistake in solving the question. It is 10 days less. It means it is 60 minus 10, which is equal to 50 days. Okay, some people they tend to write 10 here and solve the question wrongly. So try to avoid these things. Now the ultimate part of the question, it is also an important part which many people fail to understand properly. They solve the question and they find out something else. For an example, let's see what has been asked here. How many men are there? It means it is asked the value of x is asked in the question. Sometimes it may be asked, but rather than calculating this one, people tend to calculate up to value of x and they mark the answer incorrectly. So it is also an important part. So we have understood that we have to calculate the value of x. So let us see here what is happening. See, in the first case we have 60 days. When there are x number of men, there are number of days 60. Whereas when it has been increased, when the number of men has been increased, we are seeing a decrease in number of days. So it's an inverse relationship. There is an inverse relationship. It means the number of men and number of days, they have an inverse relationship. This relationship is called as inverse relationship. It is also called as inverse relation. For this question, what we can take from this formula is, from this relation is, we have number of men in the first case divided by number of men in the second case is equal to number of days in the second case divided by number of days in the first case. We have to use this. We have to use this formula to solve this question. So now coming to the actual part, how to solve this question. You see there is m1, so you write number of men n1, that is x, divided by m2, so write x plus 8. This is equal to, now see, it is d2, it means this one, so you have to write 50 here in the numerator, and this is d1, which is called as, which is this 60 days in the denominator. So cancelling 0 with 0, then we can cross multiply. You can see this is 6 into x, this will become 6x is equal to, this is 6x is equal to, this is 5 multiplied by x plus 8. So what we can see, 6x is equal to 5x, 5 8s are 40. Okay, 6x and this is 5x, this will go to this side. This is 6x minus 5x is equal to 40. 6x minus 5x, that is x, is equal to 40. This is the answer. Okay, so how many men are there? The value of x, that is 40. So there are 40 men are there. So this is all about this video. Thank you very much.